Severe weather in the area, or tornado watch still in effect for a few places in Maryland right now as a powerful storm system moves through. We had several tornado warnings expire just a short time ago. Hello, I'm Denise Koch.
And I'm Vic Carter. In addition, there is a flood warning in effect for parts of the region. Take a look at these pictures from the Baltimore City Fire Department as they rescued a number of people whose cars got trapped in high water at North Point Road and Erdman Avenue. That's an area that's frequently floods during heavy rain.
And it just takes a few feet of water for your vehicle to become trapped. So let's take a live look outside right now. The rain mostly clear out of the Baltimore area.
Let's check in with meteorologist Chelsea Ingram for the latest. Chelsea.
Hi there, Vic. Hi, Denise. You mentioned the flooding indeed, and even though the rain has moved out of the Baltimore area, you are still going to deal with the runoff, and that's why the flood warning remains in effect. Let me take you to radar and show you what is going on right now. We're still dealing with a very strong line of storms in association with the cold front. The strongest storms making their way over onto the eastern shore from Easton to Cambridge, and they'll be making their way onto the lower eastern shore as we head into the next hour. Looking at the high-resolution modeling, though, the good news is a lot of this activity is going to get the heck out of here very, very quickly as we head toward the 5 o'clock hour, most of it exiting off into the Delaware Valley, and then we're going to see much quieter weather here at home. But until that happens, we have a tornado watch that remains in effect. We told you we've already seen or dealt with 3 tornado warnings earlier today. Tornado watch remains in effect for portions of the eastern shore until 7 o'clock. We picked up around 2 3/4 inches of rain at BWI. Right along the I-95 corridors where we saw anywhere from 2 to 3 inches plus. So some very significant rain associated with this line of storms. This is part of a much bigger storm system. So for more on how this big storm system will be impacting parts of Maryland and us, let's send things inside to my colleague Bob Turk. He has the latest. Hey, Bob.
Yeah, the cold air is beginning to move in the far western Maryland. We're going to see several inches of snow in Garrett County. Right now, overnight tonight, the front moves off to the east. Low pressure is still sitting near Buffalo. That's going to drag colder air in. So this evening, showers and storms will be moving off to the east. A winter storm warning is in effect for Garrett County and the neighboring counties in West Virginia. Turning cooler and breezy tomorrow. Highs only in the 40s tomorrow night. Will go down below freezing. We'll stay on the cold side for the middle of the week. We'll talk about the rest of the forecast and what we expect for the maybe into this coming weekend for the first couple of days of December. Denise, back to you.
Thank you, Bob. Well, whenever weather is the big story, be sure to check in with WJZ. With the largest weather team in town, we will bring you accurate information you can count on.